Assalamu alaikum, BS first semester. It's our next topic, the movement of the earth. As the earth, planet of the earth has two movements, it rotates on its own axis. That movement called rotation, and it orbits around the sun. That movement called revolution. Firstly, we study the earth rotation. The earth rotates its own axis is called rotation. It rotates every 24 hours, 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4.07 seconds. The earth axis tilts at an angle of 23.5 degrees with its orbital plane around the sun. It has many effects. The following are some major effects of the earth rotation. First is your day and night. Second is your uh, concept of time, four major directions, and orientation. In the day and night, the earth is a non-luminous body and depends on sun's light, as the half part of it's in the earth's surface while the other part is in the darkness, so it creates day and night. Thanks to earth rotation, no particular part of the earth is too hot or too cold, which allows the existence of the life on the earth's surface. As we know that earth rotates in its own axis, it seems that the sun moves around the sky. It rises in the east and sets in the west. The concept of time is also due to the rotation of the earth. Four major directions. Apparent movement of the sun is often used for the orientation on the earth's surface. Observing the our sun's movement, we can identify uh, directions of the फोर डायरेक्शन एज नॉर्थ ईस्ट साउथ वेस्ट एंड द सन ईस्ट से लेकर वेस्ट पर जाकर आपका हो रहा है. तो ये आपको डायग्राम शो करते थे हाउ इट ओरिएंटेड फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, एंड दिस डायग्राम इज शोज द एक्सिस एंड tilted line of 23.5 degree. Next is your the earth attains the geode shape due to the rotation, bulges equator and flattens on the pole. ठीक है. The tides are traveled in the oceans due to the sea waters from west to east. The longitudes receive light on the basis of rotation. Every freely particular and time zones are depend on the earth rotation. Thanks to earth rotation divided into 24 time zones. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है हमारे पास अर्थ रिवोल्यूशन. एज द प्लैनेट अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड इट्स ऑन सन ऑर्बिट इज कॉल्ड revolution. It takes the earth around 365 days and 6 hours to complete a full revolution around the sun. The earth revolution causes years and leap years, season and changing length of the day and night. As this diagram shows, 365 days and 6 hours for the earth to complete a full revolution around the sun. So we have established the length of a year in 365 days. Every 4 years, we sum up the extra 6 hours, and this is called the leap year. Depending on the position of the Earth in its orbit around the sun, as you see in the diagram, depending on the position of the sun in its orbit around the sun, some parts of its surface are closest to the stars and the farthest from the stars. This diagram shows the closest to the sun and farthest from the sun. Aphelion. This distance measure in 94.5 something miles. ठीक है, और ये 91. The sun rays reached its directional region on the direct, or while they reach the poles at much smaller angle. Because of that, different parts of the earth's surface receive differing amount of sun energy. This causes the seasons spring, summer, autumn and winter. When, as you see this diagram, when the earth is on the closest points of the sun, that is called equinox. The sun rays are vertical at the equator. It's 21st March and 23rd September. Spring equinox takes place on the 21st March and 23rd September को होता है autumn equinox. इसके बाद when the earth and its farthest point from the orbit is it's called sun solstice. It is when the sun rays are vertical at the tropical. It is on the 21st June and 21st December. Effects of earth rotation is earth revolution is varying of the length of day and night. ठीक है कि the axis of the earth are inclined to the plane of the elliptical in the plane 66.5 degree, giving rise to the varying length of day and night. If the axis of perpendicular to this plane, all parts would have equal day and night. यानी कि अगर वो सीधी होगी तो बिल्कुल इक्वल पार्ट्स में होगा, लेकिन क्योंकि हमारी टिल्टेड है इसलिए हमारे पास जो है डे और नाइट का डिफरेंस आता जाता है. द एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ द मिड डे सन, द सन इज़ वर्टिकली ओवर हेड द इक्वेटर. अगर वो इक्वेटर पे है तो इक्वली होगा 21 मार्च और 23 सितंबर को जो है वो इक्विनॉक्सेस आ जाते हैं, यानी कि इक्वल डे और नाइट कहा जाता है. द सन मूव्स टू द नॉर्थवर्ड. जब वो नॉर्थ की तरफ जाएगा तो वहाँ पर लंबे दिन होते जाएंगे और साउथ की तरफ छोटे दिन होते जाएंगे. एज ए सी 21 मार्च को स्प्रिंग इन नॉर्दर्न हेमिसफेयर में स्प्रिंग है और ऑटम हेमिसफेयर में ऑटम है सदर्न हेमिसफेयर में, यानी नीचे वाले साइड पे. ठीक है, विंटर है नॉर्दर्न हेमिसफेयर में, सदर्न हेमिसफेयर में समर है 21 दिसंबर को. फिर 23 मार्च को ऑटम है नॉर्दर्न हेमिसफेयर में और स्प्रिंग है सदर्न हेमिसफेयर में. फिर 21 जून को समर है नॉर्दर्न हेमिसफेयर में, विंटर है सदर्न में. तो ये सारा जो सीजनल चेंजेस है ड्यू टू दी revolution of the earth.